Here we are, intro in the car for a nice little change. So we're about to go in a store that I've never been in my life. Have you been in it?
No, I've never been in it.
Called Tractor Supply.
I guess they're a chain, according to Mother.
Okay, so I guess it's a chain, but I've never been in it. Don't really need any tractor supplies, but anyway, one of our buddies said that they have Halloween animatronics, so we shall see. We're going to go and check out Tractor Supply. First time ever. Haunted tractor. Okay, I'll talk quick. Obviously, we're going to play some music because they're already playing music in from the outside. Here we go, Tractor Supplies. Oh, yeah. No problem. That's it. Oh, look at this ghost chicken. And a pumpkin chicken and a pumpkin. Which, I guess so. $20 there. Ghost chicken. They got like socks, I guess. Get your Ruger. Oh, look at the safes. Oh, this is nice. Guess this is the gun section. But anyway, Halloween. I mean, pretty good 600. It's a big old one, isn't it? And it's a good brand. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Oh, they got a giant chick here. Little chicken.
Never really seen like
6-foot rooster. What was that mullet outfit?
really made nice and sturdy. Oh, it says I am somewhere. Oh, that's how it goes that way. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I'm done.
light up there.
Yeah, what a fun solar thing. And here's a different one.
Oh. It's cool with this.
Yeah, what was it? Hey, I just told Martin, I said, I bet Bernie's gonna be.
Hey, look who we got! The guy that told us to come here.
Yeah.
Look at this thing. I literally. Oh, look, this is probably the donkey that Jackie's going with.
Yes, that's what. You don't like that for the.
Hi, Anna, too.
I know, chopped liver. I love that one.
What one?
This one right here. No, not yet. It's like everything's like running really late.
So, Tractor Supplies. Raised more Halloween, but I was quite impressed. I was just impressed they actually even had anything. But yeah, it was that kind of fun stuff, different, wasn't it? That big old chicken.
Yeah, way funner than I thought it was gonna be. Look at like it's they have a nice quality.
Yes, very nice quality stuff. But no light for you. She wanted a light, but she changed her mind. But anyway, that was Tractor Supply. We'll be going back. Get some chicken feed.